What you're about to witness is a forgotten art. A secret language between a man and the wild. He seeks not just to build a shelter, but to forge a new existence. Every cut, every mark, is a step on a transformative journey. The first challenge, to tame the raw strength of the forest. Here, on this untouched ground, a foundation for a new life will rise. The blueprint exists only in his mind's eye. Each post is driven with intention, anchoring his dream to the earth. He must be both architect and builder, visionary and laborer. The forest yields its timber, one measured cut at a time. Patience is his most essential tool. In the shadow of ancient roots, he shapes the future. The earth is cleared, making way for what is to come. Slowly, the skeletal form of a new beginning emerges. With masterful precision, he carves the joints that will bind it all together. A perfect fit, born of skill and foresight. But the seasons wait for no one. Winter has arrived. Against the encroaching cold, a fire becomes a lifeline. The work does not stop. The race against time has begun. Now, each piece is heavier, each movement more demanding. The biting cold sharpens his focus, demanding absolute precision. The structure stands in defiance of the frost. Every detail is honed by hand, shaping raw wood into a home. The rhythmic song of the saw echoes through the silent, frozen forest. The days of autumn preparation now pay their dividend. The first walls begin to rise from the forest floor. A painstaking process of fitting and measuring. The frame is secured, a promise of the sanctuary to come. Each beam is placed with care, a testament to his craft. He employs ancient techniques, binding the structure with rope and tension. With strength and leverage, the shelter's form becomes whole. The weight of his ambition is carried on his own shoulders. Even the smallest components are shaped with purpose. A harmony of different tools, each playing its part in the creation. Now, he reaches for the sky, raising the bones of the roof. He stands back to admire his progress, a solitary figure against the wild. The angled rafters are set, an astonishing display of geometry and strength. A moment of quiet satisfaction in the heart of his creation. The final pieces are wedged into place, locking the frame together. The roof structure is complete, ready for its skin. The tireless work continues, building ever upwards. He returns to the source, preparing the massive logs that will form the walls. The axe bites deep, revealing the warm heartwood within. The time has come to create the shingles for the roof. Using a wooden mallet, he crafts the pegs that will hold the roof together. Hundreds of thin boards are split and stacked, ready for placement. As the snow begins to fall, the process of sealing the shelter begins. Each shingle is shaved to perfection, ensuring a watertight seal. He begins the arduous task of tiling the roof. Layer by layer, the shelter is shielded from the elements. A precarious task, demanding balance and precision. Working from the inside, he meticulously fills the last gaps. Amidst the labor, the fire is a constant, faithful companion. The roof is nearly complete, a stunning mosaic of hand-cut wood. The next phase requires more timber, a journey back into the frozen woods. His strength seems boundless, his determination unwavering. One by one, he hauls the logs that will become the cabin's walls. A moment of reflection before the final push. More materials must be prepared for the enclosing walls. Each log is notched with an axe, ready to be interlocked. The fire burns brightly, a beacon of warmth in the deepening winter. The walls rise, a fortress of solid wood against the wild. From within his creation, he looks out at the world he has tamed. The sanctuary is complete. Now, it must become a home. He emerges from the finished structure, a master of his domain. He inspects the interlocking logs, the key to the cabin's strength. A plume of smoke signals that life has truly begun here. But the work is not over. A proper door must be built. With a hand drill, he bores the holes for the door's frame. Concentration etched on his face, he plans the final details. A finished shelter, standing proudly in the winter forest. The intricate work of crafting a door from planks and pegs. He stands beside his finished masterpiece, the door now in place. With winter in full force, he clears the heavy snow from the roof. The rhythm of survival continues, chopping wood to fuel the fire within. Fine-tuning and crafting small necessities. There is always more to be done, more to perfect. He builds a bed frame, bringing comfort to the rugged interior. Securing the interior walls, making the space his own. A simple bed is constructed, a place of rest after immense labor. Final touches are put on the interior, making the cabin truly livable. Shaping the last few pieces that will complete his home. The heart of the home is installed, a wood-burning stove. With practiced hands, he prepares to light the first fire inside. Success. The cabin now has a warm, beating heart. The promise of warmth and a hot meal after a long day's work. He prepares his food with the same care he used to build his home. The fire crackles, ready to transform the raw ingredients. A nourishing meal is prepared over the open flame. The cabin stands as a testament to what one person can achieve. A simple stew, a feast for a king in his wooden castle. Inside the warm, glowing walls, he finds his reward. In the quiet solitude, a profound sense of peace and accomplishment. The night closes in, but his fire burns bright against the dark. A big thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Lesnoy_offline for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this story, please visit and support their channel via the link in the description below.